Welcome to Mass Production Marvels, where we explore the incredible journey of transforming fresh dragon fruit into high-value global commercial products. The process begins in vast sunlit orchards where farmers harvest the vibrant pink dragon fruits at the peak of their natural ripeness. Heavy-duty trucks transport these delicate fruits to our state-of-the-art facility where industrial precision meets the bounty of nature. Once inside, the fruits enter a pressurized cleaning tunnel where high-velocity water jets remove every speck of dust and organic debris. Smart sensors scan each individual fruit to ensure that only the most perfectly colored and sized specimens proceed to the next stage. Precision engineering takes over as razor-sharp blades remove the ends of every single fruit, preparing them for the delicate peeling process. Mechanical grippers work with surgical precision to peel away the tough outer skin, revealing the sweet and nutrient-rich flesh within today. High-speed slicing machines create perfectly uniform rounds of fruit which are then sorted for either drying or the liquid extraction line. Skilled technicians monitor the digital dashboards to maintain optimal speed and hygiene standards across every section of this massive manufacturing plant floor. For the liquid product line, the fruit is fed into massive centrifugal presses that extract every drop of the sweet natural juice. The extracted juice flows through sterile stainless steel pipes, maintaining its raw nutritional profile while moving toward the pasteurization and filtering stage. Sophisticated filtration systems remove any remaining pulp, ensuring that the final liquid product is perfectly smooth and consistent for global market standards. Meanwhile, the sliced portions are carefully arranged on trays and fed into massive industrial ovens designed for slow and controlled dehydration cycles. Controlled heat evaporates the water content over several hours, turning the fresh fruit into a chewy and nutrient-dense shelf-stable snack. Advanced climate control software regulates the temperature to ensure the fruit retains its vibrant color and essential vitamins throughout the drying phase. Once the dehydration process is complete, the trays exit the oven and are moved to cooling zones to prepare for final processing. A specialized glazing machine applies a delicate mist of natural sweeteners to enhance the flavor profile of the final dried fruit snack. Back at the liquid line, robotic fillers precisely dispense the fresh juice into sterile glass bottles ready for the automated capping station. Automated capping machines secure the lids with perfect torque to ensure the product remains fresh and safe during long-distance global shipping. Each bottle then passes through a high-speed labeling station where brand information is applied with perfect alignment for retail shelf appeal. Sophisticated infrared cameras perform final quality inspections, checking for any potential leaks or labeling errors before the products head to packaging. Powerful robotic arms lift the finished bottles and place them gently into cardboard boxes, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal human contact today. The boxes are then sealed with heavy-duty adhesive tape to protect the contents while they are stacked onto wooden shipping pallets. Electric forklifts transport the finished pallets to the warehouse where they are stored in optimal conditions, awaiting distribution to retail stores worldwide. The dried fruit slices are now ready for individual pouch packaging, which preserves their crunch and flavor for consumers around the globe. Automated machines form the pouches, fill them with a precise weight of fruit, and seal the bags to lock in total freshness. Every single pouch passes over a high-precision digital scale to ensure consistent weight and compliance with strict consumer safety standards today. Laser printers mark each package with batch codes and expiration dates to ensure full traceability and transparency for all our valued customers. Human supervisors perform periodic spot checks to verify the integrity of the seals and the overall presentation of the final retail packaging. The pouches are organized by robotic systems into display-ready boxes that simplify the stocking process for retail managers in various markets. Pallets are wrapped in protective plastic film to ensure the cargo remains stable and secure during the long journey to the warehouse. Our massive climate-controlled warehouse serves as the final staging ground where products wait to be dispatched to cities across the world. As the sun sets, the fleet of delivery trucks departs to ensure that fresh dragon fruit products reach stores on time every day. It is truly amazing how a simple fruit from the cactus family can be transformed into diverse products through modern industrial engineering prowess. This visual flow chart highlights the journey from the farm to the factory, illustrating the efficiency of our automated food processing systems. Modern factory equipment operates in perfect harmony to maximize yields and minimize waste, ensuring that nothing from the harvest goes to loss. Rigorous laboratory testing ensures that every batch of juice or dried fruit meets our strict safety standards before leaving the factory floor today. The continuous movement of the production line showcases the power of automation in meeting the high demand for healthy and natural snacks. Human expertise remains essential for final quality checks, ensuring that only the best products earn the label of our premium brand name. From this vantage point, we can appreciate the scale of the facility and the complexity involved in managing such a high-volume operation. Dehydration preserves the essence of the fruit, allowing consumers to enjoy the natural sweetness of dragon fruit throughout the entire calendar year. The liquid extraction process is designed to capture the maximum amount of vitamins, providing a healthy boost in every single delicious bottle. Digital interfaces allow operators to fine-tune every variable from temperature to speed, ensuring that the production line runs with maximum efficiency. Robotics have revolutionized the way we handle heavy lifting, creating a safer work environment while increasing the total speed of the output. The texture of our dried fruit is carefully monitored to provide the perfect balance of chewiness and sweetness in every single bite. Efficient logistics ensure that the time from production to the store shelf is kept to a minimum, maintaining the best possible quality. Our products finally arrive at retail locations where they await shoppers looking for nutritious and delicious options for their daily healthy snacks. Consumers appreciate the transparency and quality of our manufacturing process, making these products a favorite choice for health-conscious families everywhere today. The factory lights burn bright, even at night, as the production line continues to serve the global demand for high-quality fruits. Even our cleaning processes are automated to ensure that the facility remains a sterile environment for safe and healthy food production cycles. Cutting-edge water jet technology allows for precise slicing without damaging the delicate structure of the fruit during the high-speed processing. The speed of our bottling line is truly impressive, moving thousands of units per hour to satisfy the growing global market demand. Reliable power infrastructure is the backbone of our operations, keeping the complex machinery running smoothly without any unexpected downtime or technical delays. Consistency is the key to our success, and our drying process ensures that every slice meets our high standards of visual excellence. The complex network of stainless steel pipes and tanks ensures that the juice is processed in a hygienic environment from start to finish. Automated box sealing machines ensure that every shipment is properly protected for its journey to regional distribution centers and international retail outlets. The labeling process is calibrated to perfection, placing each brand sticker in exactly the same position on every single bottle we produce. Our warehouse inventory management system keeps track of every pallet, ensuring that we can fulfill orders with incredible speed and total accuracy. Loading logistics are optimized to ensure that the trucks are filled to capacity, reducing our carbon footprint while maximizing our shipping efficiency. It all starts with the farmers who cultivate these beautiful fruits with care, providing the foundation for our entire complex manufacturing process. The state-of-the-art factory environment is a testament to how far we have come in the field of modern food technology. Continuous operations allow us to maintain a steady supply of high-quality products to meet the daily needs of our global customers. The extraction process is carefully
The final
designed
step
to
of our
preserve the
journey,
natural flavor
delivering the
and
best to
nutritional value
customers
of the dragon
across the
fruit
entire
in
world.
every single bottle. Our drying process turns fresh fruit into a delicious snack that retains the vibrant color and health benefits of the original harvest. Sealing technology is critical in maintaining the freshness of our dried products, ensuring that they taste just as good as fresh fruit. Technical oversight
Production
is the
is
key
up
to
by
our operational
10% this
success,
quarter.
allowing us to adjust the production parameters in real
The
time
new line
for
is working
maximum
efficiently.
efficiency. Logistics are managed by smart systems that optimize space and ensure that all pallets are stored and retrieved with incredible speed today. The
Our
final
automated
journey of our
logistics
products
system
takes them to
ensures
stores and
maximum
homes where they are enjoyed by
streamlining
people
the
from
packaging
all different
process with
backgrounds.
precision.
Our brand packaging is designed to reflect the quality and natural essence of the dragon fruit inside each pouch and every bottle. Quality control is a constant process that involves both human inspection and automated testing to ensure the highest standards for our customers. We take pride in our
close-up of a
clean and
fresh
modern
dragon
factory
fruit on the
environment,
vine,
which allows us
reminding
to
us of
produce
the source
safe
of
and
all
healthy
our
products
amazing
for
and
everyone
delicious
to enjoy.
products today.
The efficiency
The
of our
scale and the
bottling
modern
line is
technology
unmatched
that
in the
powers our
industry,
high-volume
allowing us to
production
meet the
line
high
every
demand
day.
for our popular juice. Automated systems handle the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, allowing our human team to focus on quality assurance and process improvement efforts. The natural beauty of the fruit is preserved through our careful drying process, making it a perfect snack for a healthy lifestyle. Every delivery represents our commitment to quality and our passion for bringing the best products to our customers around the entire world. From the farm to your table, we are dedicated to providing the best dragon fruit products through modern and efficient industrial processes. Our facility is a hub of innovation where technology and nature come together to create products that improve health and well-being. The continuous flow of our production line is a testament to the power of automation and our commitment to high-quality manufacturing. We use advanced extraction technology to ensure that our juice retains all the nutrients and flavor that nature intended for the fruit. The drying process is a delicate art that we have perfected to provide you with the most delicious and healthy snack options. Our packaging is designed to keep our products fresh and delicious for as long as possible, ensuring you get the best quality. Monitoring the production line is critical to our success, allowing us to maintain high standards of efficiency
The
and
tolerances
safety
are
every
well
single
within
day.
specification.
Logistics and distribution
proceed
are the
with the
final
next batch.
pieces of our puzzle, ensuring that our products reach customers in perfect condition every single time. The journey of our products continues as they head out to the world to be enjoyed by people who value quality snacks. We offer a variety of products to meet your needs and provide you with healthy and delicious options for your daily life. Quality is at the heart of everything we do, and our team works hard to ensure you receive the very best products. Our factory environment is designed for excellence, and we are proud to produce high-quality goods in a clean and safe way. The bottling line is a masterpiece of engineering that allows us to produce large quantities of juice with consistent quality and
Reminding
flavor.
us of the
Our
source
automated
of
packaging
all our
systems are
amazing
essential for
products
maintaining
today.
our high output and ensuring that our products are ready for the market.
A
The
wide
quality
shot
of
the
our
factory
dried fruit
complex,
is unmatched,
showing the
and we are
scale
committed
and
to
the
providing
modern
you with the
technology
best
that
snacking
powers our
experience
high-volume
possible today.
production line
We are
today.
proud to share our products with you and hope you enjoy the taste and quality of our dragon fruit items. It all starts with the farm, and we are grateful for the opportunity to transform these fruits into high-quality products today. Our factory is a place of innovation, and we are dedicated to providing the best products for our customers around
Showing
the
the
world.
result of the
We believe
careful
in the
drying
power of
process
modern
in our
technology to
high-tech
improve our
industrial
lives,
ovens
and we
today.
are proud to lead the way in production. The extraction process is a key part of our commitment to quality, and we are dedicated to providing the best juice possible. Our drying process is the result of years of research, and we are proud to offer you the best dried fruit snacks. We are committed to excellence in every step of our packaging process to ensure that you receive the best quality products today. Our team of experts is dedicated to ensuring that our production line operates at the highest levels of efficiency
We
and safety
transport
today.
finished
We are
products
proud
to
of our
retail
logistics
locations
system, which
across the
ensures that our
country,
products are delivered to
ensuring they
you in the
arrive
best
today.
possible condition always. The journey of our
Discover the
products is a
full variety
testament
of
to
our
our commitment to
offerings,
quality,
fresh on
and
the
we are
shelves
happy to
and
share our
ready
work
for
today.
you to take
We are
home
glad to be a
today.
part of your healthy lifestyle and hope you enjoy the products we create with such care. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of mass production marvels and exploring our modern fruit processing
This is
facility.
the modern
We hope you have
factory
enjoyed
floor,
this
where
detailed look at
every
how we
product is
transform
crafted
fresh
with the
dragon fruit
utmost
into
care
delicious
and
products for
precision.
you to enjoy. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of industrial production as we continue to explore the marvels of modern technology today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider
Our
liking
automated
and
systems
subscribing for more
ensure
fascinating
maximum
content from our
efficiency
team
and
at Mass
precision in
Production Marvels soon.
packaging and
Thank you for
logistics.
watching this presentation from Mass Production Marvels, and we look forward to sharing more amazing industrial stories very soon.